Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another episode of the Rideshare Hub. Sorry, I literally look like, I can't say that word on YouTube, but, sorry, I just kind of woke up. I've been in bed drinking coffee and stuff, but anyways, this is the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thanks so much for coming by. I am cooking some breakfast here, and it's actually pretty funny because our toaster broke, so now I'm using the oven to make my toast. But anyways, I wanted to make this video. Sorry I've been posting too much. There's just been a lot going on recently, and I wanted to, you know, cover it as much as I can. So let me know if you think I am posting a little bit too much and I can dial down on the videos. But today's video, I want to share my thoughts on the Uber strike. And I also want to get your opinion. I want to hear your opinion because yeah, I don't know. I think this is the best way for this channel to grow, is to get interaction with you guys and hear your thoughts as well as sharing mine too. So if you haven't heard, yeah, this is from Business Insider, so they're super legit. Uber and Lyft drivers are planning a massive strike for this week over work conditions and pay rates. Drivers and rideshare companies Uber and Lyft are planning strikes this week in several cities. Yeah, so basically it's, you know, in lieu of Uber's IPO that is coming up. If you guys didn't know, Lyft IPO'd about a month ago. Let's just check their stock. I think their stock's doing horrible. If you guys know, I bought $1,000 of Lyft stock, and then pretty much immediately sold it because it was just dropping so fast. And yeah, now it's at $62, if you guys can see that. I think I bought in at 80 and sold it at 70 or something. So yeah, I lost quite a bit of money, but not that much. But I don't know, I'm thinking about buying some Uber stock as well. But yeah, basically the strike comes ahead of Uber's IPO filing, which it should IPO early in the next week. So or next couple days. Among the demands listed in an announcement for New York City drivers, guarantee 80 to 85% of proceeds from the car. So what do you guys think? Would you guys prefer an 80 to 85% of just flat rate, whatever the passenger pays you get, or do you like the current, you know, mileage and time guarantee that they're giving? So yeah, on Wednesday, May 8th, so that's in about 4 days, drivers in Chicago, LA, San Francisco, and New York are planning to strike between 7 a.m. and 9 p.m. Let me know if you guys would be interested, because I am in the San Francisco area, to go out and record, maybe do a live stream of the strike, or just make a video, because I don't know how I would live stream, because I don't have like a hotspot, nor do I have unlimited data on my phone. So I don't know how do you live stream an event like that, but maybe I'll just make a video about it and record everything that's going on. If you guys would be interested in that, let me know. But also let me know, what are your guys' thoughts on it? So let's see. The IPO ignited drivers to push back against what they see as an unfair working terms and conditions, which they claim are geared towards benefiting corporate level employees. Wall Street investors are telling Uber and Lyft to cut down on driver income, stop incentives, and go faster to driverless cars. Yeah, guys, so actually the whole, you know, like, oh, drivers are unhappy, it's gonna affect the IPO price. Sorry to break it to you guys, but that has nothing to do with Uber's IPO price and Lyft's IPO price, because their IPO is pretty much, I would say, 90% dependent on their driverless cars coming up. That's what Uber and Lyft is betting on. They're not betting on, you know, the drivers. They're betting on the driverless cars. And, you know, don't thumb down this video because I'm saying that. I'm just telling you guys the truth. I know people at Uber. I know people at Lyft. I've gone to these conferences on driverless cars, or just conferences on Uber and Lyft and rideshare. And it's all about driverless cars. It's all about making autonomous vehicles. And Uber is actually, what they say about driverless cars is actually really interesting. Like, they don't want to eliminate drivers altogether. They just want to add the option for somebody to order a driverless car, because it's going to be a lot cheaper, a lot more sustainable, and again, they don't need to pay a driver. Obviously, they do want to, the reason why it hasn't come out yet is because of safety alone. It's not because of regulation. Regulation isn't even an issue. It's just about making the car as safe as possible. Everybody knows driverless cars are coming, just a matter of when and how safe they can be. So I really don't think the strike is gonna do much at all, because what they want to do, they want to strike because to affect the IPO price. But guys, it literally has nothing to do with the driver satisfaction. It all has to do with driverless cars. Yeah, I'm striking for my kids. Some guy, an Uber driver said, I'm striking for my kid's future. I have a 5-year-old son and I drive for Uber to support him, but because it's becoming harder and harder. Uber execs are giving rich off our work. They should treat us with respect. We are striking to send a message that drivers will keep rising up. Yeah, I think it's this group right here, Rideshare Drivers United. Yeah, but sorry, I was getting a text. Another strike in LA is planned to last 24 hours. So I think the strike is gonna last 12 hours on May 8th. Again, I don't think it's long enough to make an effect at all. I think it's, look guys, I think it's great that people are going out and striking to get your voice heard. I actually believe in strikes because, sorry, I need to fix my eggs here. I actually do believe that strikes are a good way to, you know, get your voice heard and whatnot. However, the fact that we as drivers are contract workers, you know, when we signed up to drive, we agreed that our pay rate can change at any time. So it just doesn't really make sense. There's no union, there's no driver union. And you know, Uber and Lyft started out as a way for people to make extra income. And I still do think it's a great way to make extra income if you're smart about it. But, you know, just given the fact that you sign up and you're not making money doesn't really give you the privilege to go out and try to tear down the company. I mean, I think let me know if I'm wrong, but I think there's a whole stigma about driving for Uber and Lyft and being so negative about it. Like, it's not healthy to go out and complain about your job so much. I mean, if you don't like the job so much, then just stop driving. But if you know, if you want, just get a normal job where, you know, you do have a boss and you are guaranteed benefits and stuff. But, you know, if you want to be a driver, you know, you're sacrificing all of that. You're sacrificing having a boss telling you what to do. You're sacrificing your base pay or your salary, your benefits. You're sacrificing all of that if you're just doing it full time. That's why for me, I recommend having a normal job and then doing Uber and Lyft on the side to supplement your income. But I mean, if you do want to sacrifice that, that's totally up to you. You know, just know that, yeah, you're gonna have to do all your taxes, or you know, you can get a CPA and have somebody help you with your taxes and stuff. But like, you don't have benefits. You know, you need to do it all on your own. So, yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I need to finish this breakfast so it doesn't burn. I'm gonna go to the gym today. It's bulking. No, it's not bulking season for me, but I'm eating decently because I'm just starting to work out again. Got my oatmeal and stuff, which, all right, guys. But yeah, let me know if you want me to go out in SF, San Francisco, and record this strike. I might do so. You guys are great. Keep it up. Let me know your thoughts. Hope this isn't too controversial. Let me know your thoughts on the Uber and Lyft strike happening on May 8th, Wednesday. Will you be striking? Will you not? Let me know. All right, guys. You guys are the best. I will talk to you all soon. All right, later.